I'll guide you through how to earn and use AliExpress coins to save money on your next purchase. If you're looking to get a discount on your order, or you simply want to turn the coins you've earned into real savings, then you need to understand how to earn and use AliExpress coins. Then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, you need to understand that AliExpress coins are a form of virtual currency you can earn on the platform. You can get them by completing daily check-ins, where you simply open the app and tap to claim your coins once per day. You can also earn them by playing games within the app, like Flip and Win or Merge Boss, or by participating in special promotions, such as referring friends to the app. To check how many coins you have, go to the home page on the app, and in the top bar, click on Coins. This will display the coins you have accumulated so far on the top left side. Also, if you tap on them, you will see the history of coins you've earned and spent in the last 30 days. To use your coins, you need to use the AliExpress app to find a product that accepts them. On the product page, look for the mention of coins and coupons, or a small coin icon that looks like this. Once you see one and want it, tap the Buy Now option to get the full discount. This is very important because if you use the Add to Cart option, you may not get the full worth of the discount, and you may not be able to add anything else to the order. When ready, proceed to checkout, and the system will automatically prompt you with a discount based on the number of coins you have. Simply apply your coins to the order, and you'll see the discount reflected in your total price. It is important to remember that coins have an expiration date, so it's a good idea to use them as soon as you can. By this, you have successfully earned and used AliExpress coins. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.